Hello my beautiful fans. So we're back at it with the trying to make an intro thing, but whatever, let's just cut to the point. Today we're gonna be learning how to make subliminals. I'll try my best to be the best and most entertaining teacher on this topic. So now let's get into it. So to make a subliminal you first need a topic you wanna make, which should be an obvious known step. Once you have that topic, which we'll be going with a confidence one, make a doc or whatever app you have to make notes. I personally use a note app since I don't have one on my phone, and I use docs for other things. Now is the affirmations. There are many different types of techniques to this. There's the I affirmations, the you, the they, and many more types. And which one works the best? The one you want to use is the best one. You can use any type of affirmations, 1, 2, or even all types. But that's also one type of group of things. There's also the simple, scientific, detailed and such like that. And with the question once again, the one you want to use is the best one. Now me personally, I use more like simplified but detailed, you and I affirmations. It works the best for me and I could write the best with those types, since I like writing, you know. Also some people split and make paragraphs of affirmations for each topic or just simple lines. It depends on the person. Now that we have the affirmations, we can now transfer them into the special audio. Hooray! So, to do this you copy and paste the affirmations from the document or note and put it down into an app or website such as Narrator's Voice, which I use and will be using for this example. Once downloaded you find an image or make an edit with the audio, but that's the least important part. To change the frequency I usually do 432 Hz if I'm not rushing. I use this website which I will be putting in the description. We then go to an editing app, which in this case is CapCut. We start putting the video together, which is like this, and boom, a subliminal you can upload to your channel or just use personally. So layering is like having an ice cream and adding hot fudge and other toppings on top of it. That's just one way to think of it. To layer you have one audio or even two, because some people put different types of affirmations on top of the main topic affirmations. But for this we'll just use one. I learned most of my knowledge of layering from Reddit, so I'll try to put that into my words. So to layer you can speed up one while the other one on the bottom is a bit slower, which is personally what I do. They say 5 max is the best for the subconscious. So let's take the subliminal we made earlier and start to layer it. So we're gonna put one at 2.5 speed and one at 5.0 speed, so they'd probably end both at the same time. You can always adjust this to make it a bit faster or a bit slower. But that's basically how I layer my subliminals. Yep, it's simple. But also there's a different form of layering, which is panning. Panning is like having one audio go in one ear and one going in the other, and occasionally there might be one in the middle. To do this you need some sort of audio editing app like Audacity. I don't personally have a laptop currently, so I'll link a Reddit post with the information on it. Bundles are a bunch of subliminals basically bundled together. I have no idea how to do this, but to bundle you need a playlist full of subs and then you put them together. It's not layering, but you put them like this. I'm not sure, but you then speed them up and put more audio over it, then you export it. I don't have much visuals for this, so I hope this makes sense because I only heard how to bundle and never had done it. These questions will be like in the order they were in my comments. Question 1 is, how do you make a formula? Just to define a formula is basically the way you write subliminals, such as the techniques I wrote earlier. An example of a formula is emotion-based affirmations or exaggerated affirmations. So how do you make one? I mean, the definition really kinda showed how you make them. But to make one is basically how you write them. Some formulas have specific words, like my subliminal using the word overwhelmingly. You can make even more specific words to make that into a formula. Question 2. How do you make powerful affirmations? Powerful affirmations consist of positive, present, and gratitude-filled affirmations. Generally they work the best and are probably the most powerful. Because some people get better results with more simple affirmations and some people get better results with more scientific or detailed affirmations. Question 3. Can you do storytelling type affirmations? Yes. Some people do those and they work out for people. Question 4 and 5. How do you make an anatomically detailed subliminal? Do submakers search up those terms online? You basically need to go into detail about the anatomy of the certain subliminal topic you're making, such as a leg muscle subliminal. You go into detail about such anatomic things that are important for the leg. And do submakers search up the terms? Probably. Question 6. What pitch should your affirmations be? I don't really have much info about the pitch of subliminals, but there is binaural beats which are low frequencies almost not heard by the human ear. Question 7. How much can you speed the affirmations up? I'd say till they sound like whispers, which could basically be almost any speed, but I recommend to not go overboard with it. Question 8. Can I layer different affirmations on top of each other to shorten the length of the subliminal? I'm pretty sure you can. Question 9. How do you add frequencies? You can use a frequency converter if you want to change the frequency of the affirmations, or use an audio editing app like Audacity. Question 10. When you layer affirmations, do they have to be the same length? No, not really. People sometimes end them at the same time while some have one going while one ends. Me personally, I have them end at the same time. Question 11 and 12. What format should they be when exporting, and how to do sparkle effects when you make an edit? It could be any format when you export it from video like these, and for the audio format you can do WAV or MP3. And sparkle effects you can search up on stickers in the stickers. And that's it. OMG, this is longer than I expected. So I'll be putting some other resources in the description section. And if you have other questions you can put them in the comments section. Thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers as well.